About to make some avocado toast. Wash these avocados off and then cut them boys right down the middle. Bang, we got perfect avocados. Take out that seed first. Hit it and turn. It's real simple. Scoop them joints out. I got everything scooped out. Now we about to get our seasonings right. And I be seasoning too. So I'm gonna show y'all all the seasonings that I be using. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 different kinds of avocado toast. I'm using this balsamic vinaigrette on one of them. And then I'm gonna use this truff mild hot sauce on another one. The one with the hot gonna have these Mancini fried hot peppers. I got these from Badamo's on the north side. They sell them by the jar, fire. The one with the balsamic is gonna have these pickled onions that I pickled myself. These is the seasonings that I use for the end. I put these on after everything is made. Lemon pepper, crushed red pepper, everything bagel seasoning. So those go to the back. Right now, we just gonna focus on some garlic sea salt, black peppercorn, jalapeno pepper crushed, Kinder's wood fire garlic, hot madres curry powder, agolio oleo, if I'm saying that right, this umami blend, roasted garlic and herbs, some roasted garlic, and last but not least, roasted veggie. Now, you wanna just give it a good old mixing up. Then I take a little bit of this vinaigrette, shake it up real good, and we're gonna add a little bit of that up in there. Now you should have a nice mix, look like that, nice and seasoned. Now we're gonna toast the bread. I'm using this sourdough bread that I got from Whole Foods. Get those in the pan. Now just let them chill for a minute. Now we about to do our eggs right here. Oh, I forgot I got these too. Okay, I'm gonna add the black truffle chili crunch on the one what I'm doing with the hot, and then I'm gonna add the sun-dried tomatoes on the one I'm doing with the pickled onions. So now we about to get the eggs right. Now you can season your eggs however you want them. I do a little pepper, a little salt. That's pretty much it. All right, while that egg cooking, check on these, flip them. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that egg. I like mine with a little bit of yolky on it. That bread almost where I need it to be. Just let it cook a little bit longer. Now that we got our bread toasted, we're gonna add our avocado. All right, so right here, this is where I add a little bit of lemon pepper, crushed red peppers. That's going on the hot one. Everything bagel seasoning. Already be looking good. We're gonna add our eggs. Do these hot peppers. A little bit of that truff hot sauce. Now we're gonna add this chili oil. I know that's gonna be amazing. Now with this one, we're gonna do pickled red onion and red roasted tomatoes. I be liking every bite to be covered with flavor. Now hit it with the balsamic drizzle. Get a picture of these. And that's how I do my avocado toast. Gotta have a bev. I'm going beet juice. Long live beet juice. Beets, pineapples, apples, oranges. I'll fire off on this avocado toast. Give me some napkins right here. I don't know which one I want to eat first. For real, for real. Our egg is dripping. It's time to try the hot one. Yeah, that hot one might be my favorite. Like, dog. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Like, what? Watch it. That is amazing. That is amazing, y'all. No lie. I gotta say that hot one. That joint is too fire. I'm gonna finish this regular one. Not even regular. More savory. It's so fire. Them hot peppers set it off. The hot peppers and the chili oil, yeah, it really set it off. Look at that. That is disgusting, man. Della licking in between your fingers. I could go for another one, and I still got a little bit of more avocado left. So if I do one of them little pieces of the bread, like the end. Yep. That's it, y'all.